Nice. Alright. One moment. Alright. Hello, all you saints and sinners. I am Cheshire, also known as Cheshire. And welcome to Fallout 3. Now, I decided to reboot my channel, which was originally Ivan Sanity. You could probably still find it. So I've been thinking, what's the first video going to be? You know, what do I want to play for my new channel? And what better game than one of my most favorite games, and a game I used to play a lot on my PS3, Fallout 3. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Fallout series, first off, what the hell is wrong with you? 2, that is bursting my eardrums. Basically, it's a post-apocalyptic world where you have to make decisions, and those decisions affect shit. It's a really cool game. So we're gonna get into it. So yeah, I'm playing the Fallout series. Oh shit.
I don't want to set the world on fire.
Hell yeah, brother. Sorry if my mic peaks as well or something. This is a new headset, so it's not gonna be perfect until I check the video. Desire, and that one is you.
I've lost all ambition.
By the way, this game is pretty difficult. From last I remember, this game can be pretty difficult. But I will try not to look anything up. I will try and use my memory for this, because I used to play this a lot. But it's been quite a bit since I last played it. So I'm just gonna mess around, see what I can do, and hopefully not get killed within the next 30 minutes. If this video... Oh shit! Woo! Hell yeah, brother. Bethesda Game Studios presents. Bethesda makes some pretty good games. Fallout 3. But yeah, if this video ends up being too long, I might chop it into 2 parts. War never changes.
Since the dawn of humankind, when our ancestors first discovered the killing power of rock and bone, blood has been spilled in the name of everything from God to justice to simple psychotic rage. In the year 2077, after millennia of armed conflict, the destructive nature of man could sustain itself no longer. The world was plunged into an abyss of nuclear fire and radiation.
Oh, damn it.
But it was not...
Oh, he fucked up again.
...the end of the world. Instead, the apocalypse was simply the prologue to another bloody chapter of human history. For man had succeeded in destroying the world. But war
never changes. Hell yeah! God, I loved this game! So excited to play this again.
In the early days,
and hopefully with an audience, if you enjoy this video.
The Holocaust by taking refuge in enormous underground shelters known as vaults.
Fuck yeah, bro.
But when they emerged, they had
Oh
only the
shit.
hell of the wastes to greet
I
them.
love it because it's so grim. And you
All
never
except
know
those
what you could
involved
come
with
across.
101.
By the way, I do have the DLCs, and yes,
On that
I will be
fateful
doing the
day, When
DLCs.
fire rained from the sky, the giant steel door of Vault 101 slid closed.
Hell
Never
yeah, brother.
reopened.
Actually, that's not a hell yeah, that's
Because
more of a
here
oh shit.
You were born.
Whoa.
Because here you will die. Because in
In
Vault
Vault 101,
no one
no one ever enters. And no one ever leaves. God! I love that! I remember that. Oh. I forgot that Liam Neeson. For the longest time, I had no idea Liam Neeson was actually in this game. And it's kind of nuts to think he was. It's kind of interesting. Yay. I'm a baby.
Let's see. Are you a boy or a girl?
I'm a Satan. Also, a bit of a weird note, but some of the games I will be playing are on different consoles. And because I'm inexperienced, because this isn't a career for me, I don't know how to do it properly. The way I'll be recording those will be different from these. So if you're fine with very, very shitty, gameplay for those videos, I'll be playing Red Dead Redemption 1. But don't worry, Red Dead Redemption 2 is on the PC, so that one will be good. And I've never played that one. I've played quite a bit of the first one, though. I'll be playing The Last of Us, probably Super Mario Odyssey. I want to play some Pokemon games. I really want to play Pokemon. Although, I don't know how. To play the original Pokemons. We'll see. We'll get there when we get there. Um, but yeah. Um, just trying to let y'all know. Um, anyway, I am a girl. No, I'm a boy.
It's a boy. A boy.
Yay! Hold on. Let me turn subtitles on. Do 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 do. What the fuck? Hold on. Did I do it?
Son, Catherine. A beautiful, healthy baby boy.
Yay!
Oh, James. We did it. A son.
Dude, the legs on this chair are scaring the shit out of me.
Bright future ahead of you, son. I'm sure of it.
They are so going to break.
Look at you. Hi there. I'm your daddy, little guy. Daddy. You're going to need a name, aren't you? Your mother and I have been talking.
Yes.
What do you think about...
Hold on. I really gotta get a new chair. I'll be right back. Oh, I'm back. And I got a safer chair. It's a less comfortable chair, but odds are I won't fall on my face. My name is Just go Cheshire.
That's a good name.
Hope that's not a slur.
Fits
It's
perfect.
kind of hard to tell what's a slur nowadays.
Let's see what you'll look like when you're all grown up.
Oh. Oh! This don't look like me at all! I'm black. No, I'm not. Hispanic, Asian. Yeah, I'm Caucasian. What's the presets? Oh, that doesn't. Oh, I can look emo. G.I. Joe. Alright. Oh, great. Great. This is the most. Oh, Tunnel Snake. Yep. Fuck it.
You're going to
It's the
look
most
like
annoying
this.
part is actually making your character
Oh,
very strapping.
very strapping.
It's a big world out there, son. Full of all sorts of people. What about you? What kind of person?
I'm going to kill people. No.
Catherine?
James,
Oh shit, mom.
Valve compression.
No.
No.
Fuck.
1,000.
2 1,000.
Come on.
Right.
Hang on, Catherine. Hang on. Okay?
1 year later, I blew up a bus.
Don't look straight into the light, pal. Decorations, fascinating boys. This place will feel just like. Come on over here, son. Come on. Walk to daddy.
I don't wanna. Well, can I steal shit? Oh. Oh, I got rockets. That'd be funny if those were nukes instead of rockets. How fucked would you think that would be? What? Oh my god, a ball. There's a ball. I got a ball. Yeah, I'm here, Dad.
There you go. My goodness. Just a year
Yeah.
old and already walking like a
Let me
pro.
get my ball.
Your mother would have been so proud.
That is so
Listen,
sad.
kiddo,
Your mother would
I
have
know
been
you
so
don't like it
proud.
when Daddy leaves you alone, but I need you to take care of yourself for a minute.
Okay.
You just stay here while Daddy
Goodbye.
leaves the office. You'll be
Go
okay, pal.
fuck around with this ball over here. You're in my room now, bitch. Fuck you! Yeah! Oh, shit. Hold on. Ah, fuck. Damn it. Hold on. Oh, okay. This is also a difficult part for me. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I know some Bible verses. I know enough to have a decent enough conversation with someone. You know? I'm not overly religious, but funny enough, you could learn a lot of religion from video games, books. You know, I learned about the 10 plagues from Rusty Lake. How crazy is that? Okay, S is for strength. I don't know. I'm gonna take one actually. To me, strength is not important sometimes. P is for perception, a long, funny word. It means what I tasted, smelled, and saw, and heard. Oh, God, what was perception again? Actually, I think I want to put one back in strength and take one from perception. E is for endurance, and that's how long I can play. I'm always really healthy and have energy all day. I'll put one in endurance for now. Oh, I need a lot of charisma in this. That's why people think I'm great. I make my friends all laugh and smile and never want to hate. At least that one fit. I is for intelligence. It means I'm really smart. I use my brain for lots of stuff like science, math, and art. Hell yeah. 2 in intelligence. Oof. Then one final. Yeah, that seems good to me. Oh shit. Magic! Oh my god. Wonder if I can just hack the game and get it. That'd be fun. Let me out!
You are quite the little explorer, aren't you?
Yes.
Serves me right for trying to pen you in. Come on over here.
Doesn't Liam Neeson also voice the multi-bear
It was your
in
mother's
Gravity
favorite
Falls?
passage
I thought he did.
from the Bible.
Revelation 21:6.
I am Alpha and Omega.
It's actually my favorite verse.
In the end.
Besides that one about the
Beyond him there is
apocalypse.
a thirst of the fountain of the water of life freely. She always loved that. All right, come on. Let's go see if your little friend Amada wants to play.
God, I love Fallout 3. And after this, I'm going to do Fallout New Vegas. And if I can convince a certain someone to allow me to get it, I'm getting Fallout 4. Which I have no idea what's in Fallout 4. I played like the smallest bit of New Vegas, but don't know jack shit about Fallout 4. So I'm really excited. I hear they're making one Fallout game that's based off London, which I'm also excited about. Again, Fallout is one of my favorite games. 9 years later, damn. Woo! Oh shit, I can't.
Can you believe it? He is growing up so fast.
Hey, you're gonna make me feel old, Granny.
Now, I can't believe you're already 10. I'm so proud of you. If only
I wish my real dad would say that.
I don't have to tell you how special this day is, do I? Down here in Vault 1.
Yeah, fuck you.
You're ready to take on
I probably would have said that if I was actually still 10.
So here you are. As overseer,
Actually, well, no, I learned cuss words when I was 10. I accidentally flipped my mom off when I was 10 because I'm like, Mom, what's this mean? And she slapped the shit out of me.
enjoy your party.
Hell yeah!
So have fun.
By the way, just to let y'all know,
Oh, man.
yes, I listen to the radio.
I wish I was 10.
Radio is dope.
Happy birthday! We really surprised you, didn't we? Your dad was afraid you were onto us.
I'm always on to you.
Don't worry. You're so
Mainly because I
easy to
played
fool.
this before. Hold on. You didn't fool me. I just pretended not to know.
Such a liar.
These don't count.
Okay,
What
so
you
you're
saying
saying
these don't
what did I
count.
get you for your birthday?
I'm a date with Christine Kendall.
Gross. I didn't think you even liked
I
them.
don't. I'm gay.
You know what I mean. Before you say something rude about me. I guess maybe I should give this to someone else. Someone who likes Grognak the Barbarian better
Oh
than
my
me.
god.
The question is...
Comics
what's the
existing in the
difference?
post-apocalypse? I wish you could read the books, like read some articles from them. That would be kind of cool to me. But you can read shit in here. Wait, I never checked out this. One copy of Dean's Electronics. If found, please return to Stanley. I'm so excited to play this again. Because I used to play this all the time on my PS3. And I was decent at it. See, the tactic of playing this is to wait until you get to Fox. And then he just dominates the playing field. But, to get there, there's going to be a lot of shit you got to do. How do I switch again? Wait. Forgot how to switch. Hold on. No. Obviously not. Why would that? Oh my god. Hubba. Huckaba. It's one of these bastards. See, why not just... Haha! Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother! Melee weapons. I usually don't use melee weapons in these games. I don't know why. Let's check out the PAs. Woo! Hell yeah, brother! Wednesday is bingo night in the diner. Week supply of water rations. Dude, that's awesome. I might also play a tiny smidget of Fallout Shelter. Don't worry, I will not just play Fallout games. Okay, let me tell you a little story. I have a wheel on my phone that has every single game from like my Switch to Game Jolt to Steam, every game I could think of that I'm able to play.
The odds of a Vault-Tec shelter failing are 1,763,497 to 1.
Wow. But I have a wheel and I spin it, and whichever it hits, I play every game within that. So and it's a pretty big fucking wheel. Sign up now for Saturday's baseball game in the atrium. We still need a shortstop to even out the teams. If anyone wants a tarot card reading, you know where to find me, Beatrice. Beatrice sounds a little crazy. Enter the annual Vault 101 Bake Off. Bunt cakes only. Interesting. How big is this vault? Hello. Did you get me anything?
I hope you appreciate the effort Amata put into this party.
Yeah.
She really seems to like you, for some reason.
I love sweet tea. Anyway, yeah, of course she likes me. I'm a really charming
Don't
guy.
presume too much on her friendship, young man.
Woo!
I'm still the overseer, and I'm still in charge of this vault and everyone in it.
How about fuck you, old man? Why not just take this place over myself?
Hey, happy birthday, Nosebleed.
Shut up! Gotta talk to
Are
Granny.
you having a nice party? 10 years old.
Still
My,
mad I
my,
didn't
my.
get a gun,
Seems
but
like
okay.
only yesterday that your daddy came. Goodness,
Mhm.
listen to me ramble. You're waiting for your present, aren't you?
Yep. I'm gonna be nice. I'm usually good in these games.
Such
Yes,
a
ma'am.
nice, polite young man you are. Don't ever lose your gift to speaking your mind so directly. We could use more of that down here. Here you go. A nice sweet roll that I baked for you just this morning. And it's all for you. You're the best.
Yay!
No sharing required today.
Attention, everyone. It's time to
Overseer's authority is absolute.
Nice job, jackass. Oh my god, I could take the party hats? I never realized that. Hold on. Oh yeah, brother.
Oh,
I am mortified about the cake mishap. Simply mortified.
Simply
I'm
mortal.
hungry, and that stupid robot destroyed the cake.
So?
That sweet roll you got from Old Lady Palmer.
No, fuck you. Oh yeah, I usually do this.
Ugh, I don't want your nerd cooties. You're gonna be sorry you did that. We'll see how
Oh
it turns
yeah,
out later when
whatever.
grown-ups aren't around.
Me.
Come on, Wally.
I saw
not to act all official.
Yeah,
I know
I
you were
got one.
joking.
I saw a meme where a guy managed to hack and get a gun and shot the kid.
I know you were joking, but I'm not sure anyone else did.
Happy birthday.
Nonsense. People always enjoy my little speeches. Besides, that friend of yours could use a reminder that
what do you
life
think we
is
should
not
call
all
our game?
fun and
God, I hate this guy.
Oh,
Safety
it's
first.
supposed to be a party, you know?
Who wants to
Fun.
go around all day
You
being
should
called
try
a
it
Yeah.
sometime, Daddy.
I think you really are.
Butch is such an idiot. Just ignore him.
Oh. Don't worry about me. I'm not scared of him.
I know. He thinks he's so tough. One
Yep.
of these days, we'll figure out a way to get him back, okay?
Blow him up! Wait, no, he's a kid.
Show us how smart you are, Wally.
Kick him in his shins.
Thanks for inviting me. Really cool party and everything.
Thanks.
I know that, Butch and I give you a hard time, but you don't take that seriously, right? Anyway, happy birthday and everything.
I
Try
like
to get
Paul.
back to, you know.
You think we surprised him?
Who do you
Well,
mean?
at least it doesn't have your name in it.
Happy
Never
birthday,
a special
Which makes it
thing.
better than any of your
Now
other
go
ideas.
on and enjoy yourself.
How do you like that Pip-Boy, son? Fit all right and everything?
Oh shit, I'm not facing him. Okay. It's really cool. Did you fix it up for
As a
me?
matter of fact, I did. I'm glad
I
you
would have
like it.
appreciated it if you gave me like a rifle or something.
Basic, but I've always preferred them for their reliability.
Thanks, Stanley.
Don't mention it. Oh, yes, I almost forgot. Happy birthday.
How do you almost forget to wish me a happy birthday? You dick. How do you almost forget to wish
Let me know if that
I know you
somebody?
the water purifier. Everything's fine, I hope.
Oh, sure, nothing to worry about. Me and
Enjoying yourself?
Come on, hurry up.
How are you enjoying the party, Mrs. Palmer?
I might,
Decorations, you know.
alright, so after, after what happens,
Basically, everyone we know.
I'll end this episode.
I'll send him right down. Hey, that was Jonas on the intercom.
Ah, I love
He and have been
Jonas.
cooking
I
up a
feel
nice
so
surprise
bad.
present. Jonas is waiting for you downstairs on the reactor.
I'm probably gonna end up spoiling things, but I'm gonna try not to.
Slip out for a few minutes.
I don't know. I'm gonna try not to spoil things. Where am I going? Oh, hey, it's you. Aren't you losing your mind?
My goodness, I hope I didn't miss the party.
Yeah, stop calling me dearie.
They
Yeah.
sure did. My. 10 years old already.
Okay.
And I can remember helping your
I
dad change your diapers.
don't need to
And
know
look at
this.
you, a great big grown-up 10-year-old with your very own Pip-Boy.
Yeah.
Since this was such a special occasion,
Huh.
you know what I did?
Whoa.
I wrote you a poem. Just for you.
What?
I hope you like it.
For moi? Thank you. I will treasure it always. Is that all?
Of course. Run along now, dearie, and have yourself a wonderful birthday.
Goodbye. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, it's in data. Birthday poem. Oh, lovely. Oh no. Gray walls, impenetrable steel. Suffocation, condemnation. Little hands groping in subterranean uncertainty. Mummy? Daddy? Am I dead? Nay. Nay! Reborn into purifying fluorescence. How do I move the... What? Hold on. There we go. A face emerges strong and male. Father to me? Father to all! Overseeing our lives, our eternities. Harshness of discipline, harshness of love. Obedience, my savior. Larva to pupa, pupa to worker. Buzz, one with the steel honeycomb. 10 lies within the 101, significant at last, till gray seeps from walls to hair to soul. Then, eternal slumber, the sweet sleep.
Overseer's authority is absolute.
Shut up! Then, eternal slumber, the sweet sleep of incineration. Yep, that bitch has lost her marbles. Hold on, I'm gonna turn this up just a bit.
You guys can do better than that. You need a good name.
Sure thing, Officer Gomez. Well, it's been nice chatting with you. Thanks again for coming.
I never said I didn't like it.
Thank you for coming, Miss Beatrice.
I always sneak up on the overseer.
I wouldn't have missed it for the world.
How do I, yep.
Boy is like a son to me.
Beatrice, I think you lost it there. Come in, Liam. Is he referred to by anything else? I forgot if he's referred to as anything else. I'm pretty sure he's just called Dad. I don't know. I wonder if I could pickpocket him.
Enjoy the party, sir?
Bah, I only showed up because Amata's friends with the brat. Give them a few more minutes and then I want that place cleaned up and everybody back to work.
Hey, fuck you! Hey, what's up?
Sounds like everybody's having a good time in there.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Doobie doobie dooba doobie doobie dooba. Hey, what's up?
What are you doing down here, young man? I thought kids weren't allowed down on the reactor level.
Gotta love Jonas. I'm not a kid! I have a beard!
Boy and
I
everything.
have
Look
a
at that.
beard.
If you can wait just one more minute, I think your dad will want to give you the surprise.
Now I gotta wait for this slow man. Now he's got a beard. Hurry the fuck up! What kind of
The overseer
surprise?
gave you your pit boy.
Yes.
You're old enough to do some work, so I figure you're old enough for this.
So he just gives me a
Your
gun.
own BB
Yeah,
gun.
he gives me a
It's
gun.
a little old, but it should work perfectly.
That'd be it'd be
Getting
funnier if you
found
just
down
gave me a full-out
It was in
pistol.
pretty rough shape. Took us a good 3 months to find the parts to get
Wow.
it working again. You know how tough it is to find a spring that small? Good thing Butch misplaced that switchblade of his. So, what do you think? Want to give
So
it a
you
try?
stole a swine. There's really no need for a switchblade down here, unless you want to stab someone. Here, what do I get to kill?
Easy now. It's only a BB gun, but it's not a toy.
I want to
Let's get
kill
started.
something.
Jonas and I have found a nice spot for you.
Can I
Follow
kill
me.
you? Oh, hell yeah, brother. God. My aiming should be better now that I'm on PC. Alright, how do I gotta remember how to... Okay. Yep. Can I shoot you?
Well, what do you think?
Woo!
You can come down here and shoot.
This is so great,
Couldn't have-
thanks. Okay. Okay, that's some bullshit! Okay. Okay, fuck you. Oh, come on.
Careful, it's a rat roach. Think you can take care of that with your BB gun? Just aim and shoot. You'll be fine.
Oh, you've got to be shitting me. I killed it!
Good work.
Whee!
One less rat roach to deal with. Let's get a picture together.
I am the harnesser of death!
Get a picture of me with a big game.
You shall all fear me and my BB gun. Oh!
Shoot the targets, okay?
I didn't know you could shoot him. Sorry.
Smile.
I didn't know you could shoot him. I didn't know you could shoot him. Shit. Oh, thank God. Can you imagine how fucked that would be if I accidentally killed him?
The beginning and the end. As far as I can tell, you're a perfectly healthy 16-year-old boy. So yes, you have to go to class.
No.
Go on now. You've got a goat to take.
How dare you? But I'm sick. Really?
No, you're not. Really. When I started studying medicine, one of the first things I learned was how to spot a kid playing sick to get out of taking a test.
Really?
You'll do fine. It's not so bad. Everyone has to take it when they're 16. I had to, you have to, and so does everyone else. And most everyone makes it through.
That's some
without a
bullshit.
scratch.
If you say... Wait, anything I need to know about
Generalized occupational aptitude test. GOAT. Everyone
GOAT.
here in the vault takes it
I
when
love
they're
that.
16. Helps to figure out what
That
sort
is
of
a
job
beautiful
you can do
abbreviation.
Vault 101 when you
GOAT.
get a bit older. So, pay attention and try not to fall asleep. You know
Oh.
what the overseer says? We're born in the vault.
We die in the vault.
Each is tested to determine their abilities, that they may work for the betterment of all vault residents.
That is so boring.
Sound familiar?
Do we have to die in the vault? Can't we ever leave?
Generalized.
Shit, sorry.
That's not the way it works. And it won't do to go around asking questions like that. Especially not around the Overseer. I want to tell you something.
Man, fuck the Overseer.
So listen closely. This place, this vault, is not perfect, I know. But it is your home. You're safe here. Stay on the Overseer's good side, and you always will be. You understand? You need to...
Hold on, I'm looking for something.
Because
there it
what's
is.
up there, on the outside, that's not the life I want for you. And it's not what your mother wanted for you either.
But I get to kill things. Dad, I don't think you understand the importance of the apocalypse. The importance of the apocalypse were that we would have no loss. Remember, Dad, war never changes, so why the fuck should I? Is it true, Dad? Was everyone born in the vault?
That's what the Overseer says, isn't it?
Man, that's some cult shit. Well, that's what he says.
How it'll have to be. You're here now, and it's a hell of a lot better than being up here. All your mother and I ever wanted was for you to be safe, and you're safe here.
Did we talk about, you know, Mom?
Mother, she was beautiful.
Oh.
Beyond the beauty you've seen. There's just so much those old photos can never show. And she was passionate. About life, about love. But most of all, she was passionate about you.
Why?
When she became pregnant, it was the happiest I had ever seen her. She had great things in mind for you. And so,
how lovely.
I want you to stop stalling and get to class.
Damn it!
Please, son.
I was hoping we could keep talking forever.
Seriously. The last thing
Well,
I
technically
knew,
we
your mother's
can.
Ghost haunted me because her only child became a garbage burner.
That's a real job down here. Future imperfect. Hell yeah.
I got out of here. And good luck.
Thank you. Now, you know what? I'm going to end this here. Yeah, I've played a little bit ago. Alright. Guess we're gonna replace this. I gotta get rid of these old saves. Anyway, thank you to whoever watched this video. You guys are awesome. And I'll definitely be playing more. I will be playing new bit every day, I guess. I don't know. So if you like this, leave a like, maybe subscribe if that's how you feel at the current moment. And I will see you perhaps later. Stay tuned and stay connected. Peace out.